Hey, Tom Moore from Ignite Digi here, down on the lot at Universal Studios for Cinegear 2025. Just want to talk through our new product, which is the TB51 for Ronin 4D. So obviously the TB50s have been the staple for the Ronin 4D, the standard battery, but these days with the Inspire 3, the TB51 came out. More and more of you have moved across to the Inspire 3. Maybe you've had the Inspire 3 now a bit more than 2 years and your batteries are getting a little bit tired and you want to use them for another purpose. Well, we can now use them on the Inspire 3, or for other customers who are doing maybe remote shoots where they're taking the 4D and the Inspire, then this is a great tool for that. So rather than just do a straight plate with no extra outputs, we decided a lot of you are trying to push the Ronin 4D to the limit, as you do. So we have a 2-pin LEMO, 12 volt regulated up to 50 watts, and we have a 3-pin Fisher, 20 to 26 volts, so that's the raw battery voltage, power only out, so that's good for about 75 watts. So plenty, for if you wanted to mount a 7-inch monitor. Some of you are running, I've seen Preston's run on this setup. I'm not sure I condone that. I think the 4D, the beauty of the 4D is that you have the, integrated stuff, but obviously, adolescents, they had a lot of stuff, sound gear, etc. on there. So we wanted to open it up to allow you to use it in new ways. So you can see here, it's in the sort of space gray kind of color. We did that to make it sort of match in reasonably well with the 4D. So again, like all of our plates, you can drop it in from the halfway. You don't have to come in from the top. So you just drop it in from halfway, drop it on, and the battery will automatically boot. So it's not the plate that you would leave the battery on if you put the camera in the case. And we do use the 6-pin LEMO in. So we have an integrated cable here with the Onglissimo LEMO, and this is compatible. So I've obviously got the transmitter here, but if you had the expansion back, so with the SDI and the XLRs, we've made it so that this cable is long enough, and also this right angle LEMO has the right angle, so your XLRs would fit, and you can also still clear with the Fisher. So I'll just show you a Fisher cable plugged in. It's pretty neat. So this is a right angle Fisher, and you can see it nice and clears the antenna. And then I'll spin it around. We've got the 2-pin LEMO on this side, so the 12 volt, and we've done the keyway to the bottom. So when you do your right angle, it's nice and not any wider than the antenna, but goes up because you're probably going to be mounting and powering stuff off the top here. So on the screen, you won't get a percentage for battery, you'll get a voltage, and I recommend you change at about 21 volts. Powering up. In terms of depth, it's actually slightly shallower than the DJI TB50 plate. Obviously, it's made out of high-grade aluminium 6061, so it is a little bit heavier than their plastic plate, and it's got the regulator and stuff in there. So a little bit of extra weight, but no extra depth. So it still fits in the box. At the moment, if you don't modify the foam in your box, you have to take the 6-pin LEMO out. But if you just cut a little bit more of that foam out, you'll be able to leave the LEMO in there, which is awesome. So TB51 for 4D. There we go. There's the gimbal. And we've got the Viltrox, the new RAZE lenses on here. So thanks to Viltrox for the loan of those for Cinegear. You can see here we've got the fins, and that's really necessary if you're not running the transmitter or the expansion back. Ensures it doesn't block the fan intake. So you might wonder why we've got the 4-hole pattern. So you only get 2 in the transmitter, but if you don't have the transmitter or the expansion back on, you can actually do 4 onto the camera itself. So just got the 2 screws, which is plenty, 2 M4s.